I'm taking you back to dessert basics today with a French classic, crème caramel, with a velvety smooth custard and a nice bittersweet caramel, and with only 5 ingredients, so let's cook. Here's what you need: eggs, sugar, whole milk, cream and vanilla bean paste. And that's it. With a little technique and simplicity, flavour goes through the roof. We're starting with the caramel. Just add 150 grams of sugar into a pan with no water and let it melt slowly over medium heat. You can swirl the pan gently as it darkens, and you want a deep amber but not burnt bold colour to create that classic bittersweet caramel flavour. Once the caramel hits that perfect copper colour, immediately pour it into some greased ramekins. These are just greased with a little bit of butter, but you could also use oil. Tilt the ramekins to coat the bottom with the caramel, but move fast because it will set quickly. Next up, we need to make the custard. So into a saucepan, we're going to add 480 millilitres of milk, and then pour in 120 millilitres of double or heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. Then heat the milk and cream until warm, but not boiling, just steaming. In a bowl, whisk together 3 eggs, 2 egg yolks, 65 grams of sugar and a pinch of salt. Don't whip it, just break it up and mix it together. Now temper the eggs with a little bit of the warm milk. Whisk it again and then combine it all. This helps to keep the custard silky and not scramble. Strain it through a sieve and into a jug to catch any bits and bubbles, because a clean custard bakes into a glass smooth texture with no lumps and no foam. Pour the custard into your caramel lined ramekins and fill them to about 3/4 of the way full. Now we need to bake them low and slow in a classic bain-marie. So place your ramekins into a deep oven-proof dish and fill with hot water halfway up the sides. The gentle heat helps to cook it evenly without the custard curdling. Bake at 150 degrees Celsius, that's around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 35 to 40 minutes until the centres have the slightest jiggle. Then cool completely, leaving them in the water, and chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours, although overnight would be better. Run a knife around the edge, and now it's the moment of truth. Flip it onto a plate and wait for the reveal. That's crème caramel, silky custard, bittersweet sauce, and the most elegant mouthfeel of any dessert I know. If you make this, you're not going to forget it. If you do make it, tag me in it, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.